In the quiet morning light, a modern living room breathes simplicity. Every line is intentional, every space a whisper of calm. The walls, pale and clean, become a canvas for the language of light. It is not just design, it is a dialogue between serenity and structure. The geometry of modern design speaks in balanced edges that meet with grace, proportions that suit the eye. A modular sofa anchors the space, while abstract art on the wall invites imagination to linger. Here, form follows emotion as much as function. Minimalism, when done right, is never cold. It is the art of knowing what to keep and what to let go. The glow of soft lighting dances gently across light oak wood, a warmth that reminds us simplicity can still feel like home. Black meets white, and between them the story of contrast unfolds. Metal accents shimmer subtly, adding confidence to the calm. It is in contrast that modern living rooms find their character, not loud, but quietly assertive. Touch becomes a silent language here. Linen, wool, velvet, and stone, each surface tells a tale of comfort and authenticity. In this tactile harmony, modern design moves beyond sight, it becomes something you feel. The room opens itself to the world outside. Floor-to-ceiling windows dissolve boundaries, letting the sky and leaves become part of the decor. Sunlight drifts in freely, shaping moods with its movement. In openness, the living room breathes life. One bold piece of art transforms the ordinary into the profound. It doesn't demand attention, it commands it. Around it, silence holds space, letting beauty speak its own truth. This is where modern living becomes poetic. In the quiet pulse of modernity, technology hums beneath the surface, unseen, yet present. Hidden speakers, seamless lighting, smart systems, all woven discreetly into design. Here, innovation serves serenity, not noise. As evening falls, light softens gold against glass, amber against the edges of a mirror. The room exhales, turning from a space of activity to one of reflection. It's a modern living room, yes, but it feels almost like a sanctuary. At last, we see it whole, a space designed not just for living, but for being. Everything has purpose, and yet, it feels effortless. The essence of modern living isn't in what's added, but in what's left untouched, the quiet, the air, the sense of belonging.